Yesterday we started setting, building up the wall fence, and that's how it's looking for now. The builder is here. They're busy preparing to go ahead with the wall building. Thank you for being here. My name is Shirley. You're at Block 929. If it's your first time, please subscribe with us. Don't forget to um, like, share the video, leave a comment, and activate your notification bell. So yesterday we could water the plants. Last night we had to feed the plants. So you can see it's still damp. I'm happy for that. These blocks needs to go the other side. Morning, Martha. How are you? Fine. Martha's collecting water for the builders. Patricia wanted a little leave. They've been working hard. Our day is just starting here at Block 929. They are just getting ready for work, chatting. We have our machines here. And then we are also busy making a wheelbarrow. Very nice. Very strong wheelbarrow. It will be done today. They are busy preparing for the bowl. Busy mixing cement and quarry dust. Morning, Flaxen. How are you? Fine, thank you. Kids are busy going to school, walking to school. And today the wall is going to go further. Yeah, we just waved them. This is going to be an entrance here. And this is the wall in the making. Yeah, we're going to have pavers to go up the terrace there. So somewhere here there's going to be a way, that a passage for us to go up to that side. That's the wall. Yesterday my hubs didn't go anywhere because he wanted to be present when they're doing this. So The guys are working hard. This week is their last week. They set a target for themselves, and they want their reward to be to go to the beach, to lake, to the lake. So on Saturday, if they make their target, they might have a trip to Salima, Lake Malawi. So we'll take you along if they are going. So you'll have time to see other part of Malawi as well. I think they'll finish the wall today, at least one part of it, until they come to the higher part. These are going to be the higher parts of the wall. Yeah, they're going to build higher, as high as there. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and also leave a comment. I think the plants are just so nice. They just look nice with a construction going on around it. It's just standing out more. And that's a wall update video. Thank you.